Good afternoon, my name is John Simo, and today I'm going to assist you in adding your Green River email to your desktop Outlook application. After completing these instructions, you'll be able to manage and receive notifications for your Green River email on your desktop. If you prefer written instructions, those will be available on the Green River IT homepage. Today I'm going to be performing the instructions on a Windows 7 machine, however the written instructions are in Windows 10. We'll begin by opening Outlook, which I've already done. Then you'll open the File tab, and then proceed to the Account Settings. We'll click on that, and then go into the actual Account Settings sub-tab. You're going to make sure to have the Email tab selected. Then you're going to left-click New. From here, you're given a couple options. You can enter in the name of the account. I'm going to go ahead and forego that. But the required fields are to enter the email address, which I will use mine as an example. And go ahead and click Next. Then you're going to go ahead and establish your connection. This is done automatically for you. Okay, and you can see that it was successful, as it's indicating right here. Then you click Finish. And this differs from the Windows 7 to the Windows 10. On Windows 7, you're required to restart the Outlook application. Windows 10 is not. So we're going to go ahead and restart the Outlook application to confirm that it worked. And it's going to verify your credentials again. It's indicating that it's receiving the emails over here in the bottom left-hand corner of the Outlook indicator. And you can see that it's updated my emails to indicate that I have added on my Green River email successfully. This completes the actual instructions. If you encountered any issues while performing these instructions, you're going to want to contact the Green River IT department, and they'll be able to assist you. Make sure to have the error message that is displayed in Outlook. Typical error messages are expired passwords, locked out accounts, and not having an active email account. This completes my instructions. Thank you for your time.